Hi mga ka-explorer, for today's video, let's try that tiramisu. Ang flavor ani ka is strawberry.
I like strawberry too.
Yeah, it's tiramisu.
But I have the heart. I have
Nakakita
two
ka lang
hearts.
ako.
I have two hearts marshmallow.
Oh, nala siya marshmallow. Tara,
Can I some?
you like it?
Mmm.
May ani tiramisu eh.
Hey, me? That's why I'm marshmallow.
Mamiga siya. Ito pa. Try it pa.
Mmm.
At try siya. Nadaot ang nahong.
Hindi ko ganahan kinani man.
Hindi daw siya ganan.
Pero lami ang siya flavory. Pero di ko ganahan sa iyang dili wala yung makaon.
Naman na raw.
Hmm?
Siya marag cake. Pero ganun kung sa tiramisu ba? Ano mong gado?
How much you give R? How much score you give? How much
This one.
I'm like.
Rate it. You rate this one, the food.
You give what?
I'll give it 100 of 100.
Right.
Grabe.
100 over 100 daw ni.
So you can recommend this one to some other
To buy the tiramisu.
to buy this one.
But I just split the heart in half. So I'm not live.
Mama is asking you ba? So you want to recommend this one? This cake?
Yeah.
Yummy.
It's gonna
Bye guys.